Dealer support and parts availability is very critical for us, and hence our reason to go with the John Deere product, and that we're confident in our local dealer. So my name's Jedidiah. I'm the Director of Jedidiah Equipment. We're based here in the southern end of KwaZulu-Natal in a small town called Kokstad. Our main line of work is agricultural contracting. We also have a manufacturing division where we build a lot of our own equipment, as well as to the agricultural sector. So the challenges that we have is obviously the very short window that we have to harvest the crop. We get put under a lot of pressure to get the crop cut within a 9-week period. The challenges we face are weather, the conditions and the terrain that we work in, where we have very extreme hills and valleys where we have to work. So the reason we chose John Deere was the reliability of the machine. It was the first machine we ever bought back in 2011. We started off with a 7550, and it proved to do us really well. We were very productive with the machine. The machine never let us down. It worked hard. Very low maintenance on the machine. So from the early days we built a lot of confidence in the John Deere product. So some of the features that we've really enjoyed on the machine would be Harvest Lab. It's really helped us to get more information on the crop, as well as to be able to give that information to our farmers, helping them to make better decisions with regards to the feed. It's also assisted in the length of cut, being able to monitor moisture, and having that variable length of cut on the machine takes less away from the operator to worry about, where it can automatically adjust that, so there's no human error when it comes to length of cut. We've also been really impressed with JD Link and operations. For me, being able to run the business, it's feeding me all the information I need without having to be in contact with the operator, and I can check on productivity, check on his work, check on the machine, how it's running. So the relationship's really important. I believe building on firm relationships, and that there's a lot of trust that comes along with it. We have a very good relationship with our dealer. I just feel that they understand the pressures that we're under, and they're able to take that upon themselves as well. They know the need of turnaround time, backup and support, and it's very important and vital to the success of our business.